The Rock is performing CPR on his daughter in this movie, San Andreas, where he does the updated protocol, CAB, compressions, airway, and breathing. So he does the compressions first, but he doesn't complete the 30 compressions. Then he attempts to give 2 breaths, but forgets to perform the head tilt, chin lift, or even pinch the nose closed. I know, it's a movie, but I also know that's why everybody needs real training to become a real hero. You can sign up for our free online CPR and first aid training. And if you need a CPR card for work, we have a certification program so you can get your CPR card online. Just go through the training at your own pace, using your computer or mobile device. It's very simple. Just take the training, pass the test, and print your CPR card. We made them to be quick, direct, and to the point so you can finish the whole training in less than 60 minutes. So take the CPR training now. Just click the link below.